Have you ever scratched your car and thought, if only this wax had magical elf powers? Well, I tried that magic. And spoiler alert, the elves were on vacation, so stick around because in the next 2 minutes I'll tell you exactly whether this gizmo actually fixes scratches or if it's just a fancy shine booster that'll make your wallet cry. Today we're checking out the Homonth Scratch Removal Wax. The little tin that promises to buff out your scratches and make your paint sing again. Sounds awesome, right? Like that time I thought a hairdryer would fix my blown speaker. Spoiler, it didn't. Here's the honest scoop. This stuff isn't chemical wizard that puts paint back where it's scraped off. What it does, and this is real talk, is act like a polishing wax or filler. It can slightly reduce the appearance of very light surface-only marks by blending them into the surrounding paint. But if the scratch goes deeper than the clear coat, which most real car scratches do, this wax won't magically repair it. Users online reported that marks often come back after a wash, and in some cases the finish looks unchanged or even worse if used incorrectly. If I had a peso for every time someone told me a wax would fix deep paint damage, well, I'd probably buy a real paint repair kit. From my own garage experiments, products like this are great for light polishing and shine, kinda like using a filter on your car instead of fixing the real dent. It's harmless for quick touch-ups, but don't expect miracles. So is it worth picking up if you're just trying to make your ride look a tiny bit better before grandma sees it? It'll help with minor swirls and surface gloss. But if your scratch looks like it survived a wrestling match with a shopping cart, this won't replace real paint correction. Think of it more as a makeup touch-up for your car, not surgery. If you want real removal, not just cosmetic camouflage, you're better off with a proper polishing compound or professional advice. And hey, if you want me to compare this to something that actually works, I've got some solid alternatives lined up. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store linked below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.